In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where your mic has been muted by your system settings in Google Meet. So in order to fix this, you first just need to make sure your microphone is unmuted down at the bottom here. If your microphone is turned on like so, then we're just going to minimize out of this window and head over to the Start menu and search for Settings. Click on the Settings window, and then from the left-hand side, scroll down to Privacy and Security. Scroll down once more and select Microphone. Make sure microphone access is turned on at the top. Then scroll down to Let apps access your microphone, and once again make sure this is turned on. Scroll down to Let desktop apps access your microphone, and once again make sure this is turned on. And then you should be able to see Google Chrome inside of here, and this should be enabled like so. Once you've done that, we can close out of this window and head back over to your internet browser. From here, head over to the three vertical dots and come down to Settings. From the navigation on the left, scroll down to Privacy and Security. Scroll down to Site Settings. Scroll down again and select Microphone. And underneath Default Behavior, you should have Sites can ask to use your microphone selected here. So if you have Don't Allow Sites, then make sure to change it over to this one. Also at the top, you'll be able to select your default microphone. So this is where you'll need to select your default microphone. As you can see, I have mine at the top here. Now, if that's still not working, what you need to do is head down to your taskbar in the bottom. And we're going to right click on this volume icon and select sound settings. Then just scroll down and come over to more sound settings and click this. Head over to the recording tab at the top. And from here, you just need to make sure your microphone is the default one selected. So I'm using this Yeti microphone, and as you can see, it's set as the default device. So to do that, just select your microphone and click on it, Set Default here. You also need to make sure it's enabled, and you could do that just by right clicking on the microphone and selecting Enable. It's also a good idea just to make sure any microphones that you're not using inside of here, that you disable them, and you could do that by right clicking and selecting Disable. Once you've set your microphone as the default device, we're just going to double click on it, head over to the Levels tab and ensure that your microphone is turned up on this slider here. Then we can simply press Apply and OK, and press Apply and OK. And that's it, guys. By following all of these steps, that would have now fixed your microphone issue in Google Meets. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.